Good evening, patriots. Welcome back to the Frontline Report. India is not just talking about national security, it's executing a colossal modernization drive. From securing our borders with advanced missile defenses to achieving true nuclear deterrence from the deep sea, the past few weeks have cemented India's status as a decisive global power. We are diving deep into the massive defense procurements and strategic advancements that are fundamentally reshaping the regional power balance. Let's get started. We begin with the ultimate deterrent. Reports confirm significant progress in the S-5 nuclear submarine program, the crown jewel of our sea-based deterrence. This Leviathan will carry up to 12 MIR-equipped intercontinental ballistic missiles. That's multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, meaning one missile can strike multiple targets. This advancement ensures India's assured second strike capability is robust, deep, and absolutely untouchable. This is strategic depth defined. Next, a fundamental doctrinal shift is underway with the planned creation of a dedicated rocket missile force. This force is a direct strategic answer to threats along the northern and western frontiers. It's designed for rapid, decisive, and asymmetric response capabilities, utilizing existing and next-generation tactical missile systems. This move signals a proactive defense posture, ensuring instant area denial and maximum deterrence against any adventurism. Shifting to air power, the Ministry of Defence is nearing clearance for what will be India's single largest defence acquisition by value, 114 Rafale jets under the MRFA program, potentially worth a staggering 3.25 lakh crore rupees. But this is more than just a purchase. Groundwork has begun with a major focus on prioritizing indigenous content and integrating these magnificent jets into our domestic ecosystem, strengthening the Make in India mandate and ensuring long-term technological self-reliance. Our air defense shield is getting impenetrable. India is seeking nearly 280 additional S-400 interceptor missiles to bolster our strategic stockpiles, with plans to accelerate induction via local assembly. Simultaneously, the Indian Army is receiving a massive boost. The mod is set to clear the production contract for the indigenous Anant Shastra Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Missile, or CRSAM. This DRDO-developed system provides crucial, mobile, all-weather defense right where the Army needs it most. On the ground, our infantry is gaining crucial combat edge. Successful trials have been conducted for the indigenous third-generation man-portable anti-tank guided missile, or MPATGM. This fire-and-forget capability is essential for operations in mountainous terrain, modernizing our front lines instantly. Moving to the sea, a major collaboration involving DRDO, TESAL, and Airbus is commencing to develop a specialized C-295 maritime surveillance aircraft variant, crucial for monitoring the vast Indian Ocean region. Finally, we must remain vigilant. Reports indicate Turkey is discussing joining the Pakistan-Saudi alignment, a geopolitical dynamic that warrants close monitoring as regional blocs shift. Despite external concerns, India's commitment to modernization remains absolute. The government just approved proposals worth nearly $8.8 billion to enhance the capabilities of the armed forces, predominantly prioritizing high-tech indigenous systems. India's strategic future is being built, piece by piece, right now. This isn't just news, it's proof of a nation securing its destiny. Every one of these advancements, from the deep-sea deterrence of the S-5 to the cutting-edge indigenous missile systems, shows India moving with purpose and power. We are building a self-reliant, formidable force prepared for the challenges of tomorrow. Let us know in the comments which development excites you the most. If you believe in a strong, self-reliant India, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a defense update. Jai Hind!